Our introduction to Master Your Mind really looked at, what is the mind? Why are we in the age of mental illness? And how does our mind fail? What can we do to get back in charge of our thinking? So the base, part one of Mastering Your Mind, is metacognition. So metacognition simply means above thinking. So it's easy to be inside your thinking, in which case your thinking is everywhere. You just are worry, or you are rumination, or you are chaos. Metacognition is the step back so that you can see your thinking. Once you can see it, your thinking moves from subject to an object of your attention. And once it's an object, it can become a tool. So I think of metacognition as the foundation of sanity. Now, it's equally reasonable to talk about meditative mind, consciousness, enlightenment. I don't think it matters. But the idea of metacognition above my thinking is, I think, a useful start. It is the foundation of your sanity. So step one with metacognition is that ability to step back, pay attention to your thoughts, and create an object rather than to be the subject of your thoughts. To do this, you need to examine your thinking and begin to learn your simplistic or unhelpful thinking patterns or errors. Daniel Kahneman called these type 1 thinking. It's intuitive, it's fast, it just pops out of your mouth. So if you're the kind of person who says, she always does that, there's a possible error. Pay attention to that and notice when that comes into your attention, maybe even when you say it. So as you start to learn your different patterns, you will recognize them more quickly. Step 3, to understand that your thought, the thought you're looking at, is just one of many possibilities, many perspectives. So to ask yourself in step 3, is there another way to look at this? Is there another way to say this? Could something else be going on? That ability to be curious allows you to start to really discern that thinking. And of course, the step 4, you really need to maintain a good sense of humor. That is why laughter is part of yoga and meditation. These mystics have been working the simple idea of metacognition for 2,500 years. It works. It's been proven. And today we can apply this in many, many, many ways. So as a reminder, remember, we can be in the washing machine of our thoughts. We become the subject. It's a nightmare to be caught up in those storm of thoughts, whether you're going into a meeting, whether you're trying to fall asleep, whether you're trying to prepare for something. It is an awful experience to have. So the step is, with metacognition, your thoughts become the object, and thinking or mind becomes a tool to advance your life.